What's up, guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, and for today's question of the day, Mr. Frank emailed in and he's asking how to get the color code and how to refinish the rims on this W123 Mercedes-Benz here. So we're looking at the rims here. He wants to basically refinish them and paint them. Let me just read out Frankie's question here quickly. Hey, maybe you have something in the course about this. I haven't been through all the material yet. He's talking about Learn Auto Body VIP. He's a brand new VIP member, and I'm making this video for him. I'm wondering about refinishing some aluminum painted wheels. Have you done much of this? And what coating do you recommend? Is there normally a manufacturer paint code to go with these wheels? I'm asking specifically about the wheels on a Mercedes W123 chassis. I wish you kind of told me the year about this, but the 123 kind of gives away the year. I haven't researched the year on it, but I'm sure it's kind of like a 70s or a late 60s model that you have here. So the number one website for this is basically benzworld.org. Okay, so check out this website. I actually have a link. Check the link below in this YouTube video. I'll link to this site for you. But here are all of the color codes for that car. And it's pretty much called an Astral Silver. Okay, but you're gonna have to double check. Normally when they painted these cars, the body color and the rims were the same color, but you're gonna have to double check. If you look at your VIN number, you're gonna see a trim color. Okay, trim color is usually the rim color or some of the trims if your car was a two-tone. Okay, so double check that. That's the color code you're gonna wanna use to make and paint your rims. Now, as far as prepping, have you ever heard of something called sandblasting? Well, sandblasting is old school because the sand is pretty much no good for your lungs and it's just a bad process. There's something called media blasting, okay? And media blasting is pretty much made up of plastic beads, ground up walnut shells, and glass beads, sometimes aluminum oxide, okay? It'll help you basically take the paint off your rims. Now, you could do it through the media blasting way. There's little media blasters that you can buy. Let's see if we can find something. There's a few YouTube videos on it, and there's a few products out there that you can buy, okay, and do it yourself at home. There's a product called the Texas Blaster. Where was it? Here. Media Blasting North Texas Customs. Texas Blaster. So this is a pretty bigger, it's a bigger tank. I'm not sure if you're going to need something this big, but it's a $700 product. You don't have to. You can definitely get a media blaster for around $250. And basically spray your rims and take off all the old paint. Okay, you would spray it, take off all the old paint, prime it with a nice 2K primer. All right, and then you'd be able to spray your base coat and clear coat on your rims there if you wanted to do that. Okay, so that's how I would tackle the job if you wanted to do that. And I mean, that's pretty much it, you know. Let's see. You could go back to the color code. Again, this is benzworld.org. I'll have a link below this video so you can kind of come here and check out your, find your exact color code. But this is, you can get a lot of information on this website about your vehicle here. Okay, so I would definitely recommend the media blasting your rims down. You can even use a paint stripper if you want to go that route. Oh man, the color kind of got weird. You can use a paint stripper. I don't know why it's doing this. Here, click off of it. Okay. It's going to be messier because you're going to be using chemicals and whatnot. I would think media blasting would be the cleanest and easiest way for you to get these rims down to aluminum. Then you would go ahead and put some, you could use epoxy primer over the aluminum. Okay, sand that down and you could paint over the epoxy primer. I wouldn't make it too thick because it will enhance or give you more chance of chipping if you make the paint too thick. So I would do the epoxy primer, sand that down smooth, and then spray your color. your base coat and clear coat with, or you could even do it a single stage if you wish, in your color code. Because if you did the 2K epoxy, if you did the epoxy, then you did the 2K primer surfacer on it, then you did the base coat clear coat, that would be a lot of coats, which can give you problems of chipping when they put the new tire on and off. Do you know what I'm saying? So the less the better. Okay, the less coatings the better on rims. And through my experience, I found that a single stage paint jobs are very durable on rims. That means basically a 2K product, just an enamel, acrylic enamel paint on your rims, and even a light coat of base coat clear coat. So if you're going to be doing a base coat clear coat, I would definitely media blast, epoxy prime, sand, light coated base coat and clear coat, and you're good to go. All right, that's how I would handle it. Hopefully this video helps you. Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you think about refinishing these rims here, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Like the video, comment down below, and click right up over here to get a free 85-page booklet at learnautobodyandpaint.com. Also, click the description below if you're on YouTube, and head over to the website to learn so much more about auto, body, and paint. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.